So as you can see, currently we're having the roof put on as we speak. They've finished most of the brickwork now, and then it'll be starting to do the first fix where we need to decide where all the electrics and plumbing are going after.
We've got a lot of decisions to make with regard to bathrooms, electrical, other items, kitchen, that's a major piece.
We had a schedule from CB giving us an idea of when things needed to be done on site. So before the first fix, or at the first fix, they're going to want to know where the sink's going, where the electric for the cooker's going. So you really need to plan well ahead of when the actual date for the items needs to be delivered. I really do enjoy trying to sort of pick things that are going to work. I think my job is to plough through all the brochures and give Steve a choice of about 3.
You can have grey or grey. All right, we'll have grey. What I particularly enjoy about a project like this is having a clean slate, is having a free rein to take it where we want it, within our budget, obviously.
It was great having the fixed price, so we knew where we were starting from. So if we want to splash out a bit more on the kitchen, we can, and we can cut back a bit on the bathrooms or tiling or something like that.
And CB Homes are very disciplined in their budget control. They've got people and processes in place to control that. The contractors that they use are very good. They've arrived at these relationships and these contractors over many years, and we're finding very easy to work with and very effective and economic.
I think that's true of all of the people that...
All the suppliers as well.
The suppliers and the trades that have been here so far. Everybody's just been really helpful, haven't they?
Yeah, they're fantastic. And it's great to benefit from that experience. As if you were doing it yourself, you could be going down a lot of dead ends, and that can be costly. That's the beauty of going with someone like CB Homes.